How to make massive wealth with the internet. Hey guys, I hope you've had a great day. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys ideas which you can use to make money on the internet. There has never been an easier time to make money online. The internet has massively disrupted the traditional way of doing almost everything. And we can all see the impact it's had on the way we live, play, work, shop, and socialize. These disruptions of a scale never witnessed before has brought in its wake numerous problems that require even more innovative solutions. And there's a lot of money to be made by providing practical solutions to these problems. That is the simplicity of making money online. In my opinion, the internet is the new oil, and anyone willing to take advantage of this opportunity will, in no time, reap the due benefits. All it takes is one brilliant idea, and then boom, you're in the bracket of billionaires. I dare say that it's only the internet that can leverage a simple idea into something of global significance. Anyone around Vinton Cerf or Bob Kahn should please give them a bottle of beer. The bills are on me. These gentlemen deserve all the accolades that come their way. Not only did their invention help revolutionize our concept of doing things, it also helped open doors that many wouldn't have thought existed. Several ways exist to take advantage of the ever-growing popularity of the internet and hit the seven-figure target we all dream about. However, you must be prepared and willing to put in the work. While there's a lot of money to be made from the internet, it's not easy money. You may have to learn new skills, work on negative habits, but most importantly, work on your mindset. The internet is massive, and there's a plethora of different ways to make money from it. And some of these ways could be your passport into the six-figure club. But most importantly, you must learn to strike while the iron is hot, especially when it comes to monetizing your ideas. Internet money loves speed, and your idea can quickly become somebody's own before you even know it. Number 8. Online courses and tutorials. If you're more knowledgeable than the vast majority in any given field, then you could make good money by sharing your knowledge and expertise on the internet. With the internet, you can reach a broad audience and teach from the comfort of your home. You can create online courses and charge money for people to access them. Selling online courses is a great source of passive income that continues to rake in cash for you even when you sleep. You can build authority in your niche with your website and host your training programs and course there. But bear in mind that this option means you'll have to market your information products yourself. Alternatively, you can sign up with a tutoring company such as Udemy or Coursera and have them do all the marketing for you. Although being independent allows you to have all the profit from the sales of your products, partnering with an established company gives you access to a broad base of prospects without you having to engage in a lot of marketing. Number 7. Freelancing. Thousands of people have made a fortune from freelancing, selling their services to any client who's willing to pay for it. The internet has made it possible to find and work for clients from any part of the world. Even better still, from the comfort of your bedroom or by any exotic beach. You work at your own time, on projects you choose to, and from any location. But to make good money from freelancing, you must have exceptional skills in your field. In the US alone, there are over 57 million freelancers selling services like web design, writing, graphic design, mobile app development, editing, etc. Therefore, to stand out and demand the kind of pay that will put you in the league of millionaires, you must strive to be in the top 1% of your field. The internet makes it easier to find clients. Although not mandatory, it helps to have a website where you host your portfolio to be seen by prospective clients. A good site also makes you more legit and professional. You can look for clients by identifying those who might be interested in what you have to offer and pitching directly to them. There are also several freelancing sites and forums which make getting clients a breeze. Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr are some of the more popular freelance platforms. If you're ambitious enough, you could quickly become wealthy by selling your top-notch services to several individuals or companies who are always willing to pay good money for them. Number 6. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to make money online. As a blogger, you harness the remarkable potential of the web to reach out to millions of people all over the world. You can share your ideas, teach, motivate, and ultimately influence others through your ideas and experience. Although you can blog just about any topic and amass followers, some of the more popular blogs are on the topics of internet money, finances, health, relationship, and personal development. The blog space is crowded for sure, but if you have a unique insight and write in a way that captivates your readers, you can stand out from the crowd and build an extensive readership. And that's when the magic starts happening. Companies will approach you to put up their adverts on your site, where they are sure it will be seen by millions of eyeballs. And the best part is, you'll get paid handsomely for this. Yet another way to monetize your blog is by selling stuff, your own products or other people's products. It could be affiliating for physical products from Amazon and other stores, or selling ebooks and courses. However, it takes significant time and effort to get your blog off the ground and running. Consistency is key here. You won't get anywhere if after 3 months without seeing significant growth, you run to the next shiny object. As always, if you have some money and don't want to start from scratch, you can buy already money-making websites and e-commerce stores on websites like Flippa, Exchange, Latonas, among others. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. ClickBank.com, Amazon Associates, and Rakuten are just a few great affiliate marketing platforms. Affiliate marketing involves the simple process of promoting other people's products for a commission. When you become an affiliate for a product, you'll get a unique link that you can put up on your blog post or Twitter handle. Whenever your site visitors click on the link and ultimately make a purchase, you'll earn a commission for the sale. You can be a millionaire by leveraging the internet to build a massive following with a blog or social media as a medium. And one of the ways you can monetize your online fame is through affiliate marketing. As an authority in your niche, you'll have built credibility and trust. Hence, any products you recommend will influence your readers to buy. There are a lot of affiliate programs on the internet that allow you to promote physical goods and intangibles, like software, courses, ebooks, and more. Affiliate marketers can make a six-figure income depending on the niche or product they promote. Pat Flynn and John Chow are the first to come to mind when it comes to successful affiliate marketers.